Hello! Today is all about building a gravity-fed sand filter. What you see here is all the pieces needed to stop particles from entering the recycled water tank of the microgreen room at Fat Beet Farm. This is Jessie, who is the aquaponics manager, and my name is Megan, and together we are building this amazing gravity-fed sand filter. First, we start out by measuring the PVC piping needed to fit inside our bucket. Once that is done, we head outside to power saw off that desired length.
Okay, yep, sounds good.
As you can see, we managed to do that, and our next job is to cut little slits for the filtered water to come through and head back into the recycled water tank. We are showing 4 cuts here, but we cut about 8 more, giving a total of 12 slits. We moved on to gluing the PVC end cap and pipe together and cutting a hole in the bucket for the attachment. I went ahead and screwed on the plastic bulkhead onto the lid, which we also cut a circle through. Great job, Jessie, for doing that. Afterward, I attached the threaded adapter. The final part is bringing it all together by screwing in the PVC pipe into the bucket, attaching the hose adapter on the outside of the bucket, and there we have it. The bottom is done. Next, we have the plastic bulkhead attached to the lid as beautifully seen here. And then we put the threaded PVC adapter attachment to that, and we are ready for the next phase.